Guys, welcome back. So this is my helmet. It's of SMK Twister. So I'm gonna show you how to install the Bluetooth intercom to your helmet. So have the intercom here. So this is the speaker. Where is this? Yeah, this is the speaker point where your speakers will sit in here, the left one and the right one. I think so. This is the speaker attachment sticker. So these two needs to be stick here. One on the left and one on the right side. Okay, this one will sit here like this. Okay, got it. So these two stickers needs to be placed here, one on the left and one on the right side. So let's go place these two things. Okay, I placed one sticker here, and the same way I'm gonna stick it on the other side too. Let's go ahead and place the speaker now. So it's always recommended to the mic one needs to be on the intercom side, and your mic needs to be somewhere here, and so that the adapter pin will come on the left side. And you can wind up the extra wire. Okay, so you have the wire here. The speakers are now placed, and here is the mic. Not sure if you can guys see. Okay, can you see this mic here? Yeah. So this is done. I'm gonna put back the okay guys, I read the user manual. You can either use this clamp or the sticky 3M sticky glue pad clamp. So I'm going to use this thing. This thing seems to be a little difficult to install. So yes guys, so see, look at this marking here. So this needs to be on the upper side. It has to face up and not on the down side, so that your intercom sits like this. So let me see. Yes, so that's it. So you need to get that sound so that the intercom is locked properly. So as you can see, there is no gap, and the intercom is fixed properly. It doesn't shake guys. This is how the intercom looks like guys. It's time to test this intercom. If you like the video, give it a like, and share the video if you liked it. And if someone is looking for a intercom installation video, you can share the video, and please do comment if you need a detailed review of how this actually works, and how the sound actually is, and user review. I'm okay to share the user review if you guys need it. So that's all in this video guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.